here. Everybody concentrate on the today's topic. See, every day I am teaching this one new concept to you guys. So what to do? You have to listen and you have to practice. Then only it can store in your brain. If not, there is nothing to use. Here, this is the one of the case. The case is there is a right angle triangle. What triangle? Right angle triangle. So I hope everyone knows that what is right angle triangle, right? In the right angle triangle, angle must be a what? How many degrees, Tana? It's 90 degrees, right? Now look at
90
it.
degree.
This is my right angle triangle and triangle A, B and C. Angle at B. This must be a 90 degrees. Then this triangle is called right angle triangle. This triangle is called right angle triangle. And here one law is there. That law is called right angle triangle law or Pythagoras law. What is that law? Pythagoras law. What is that law? Here in the right angle triangle, this is the 90 degrees, right? The opposite side of the 90 degrees, this slant line is there, inclined line. That is inclined slant line is called hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse, right? And the remaining sides are sides. This is side number 1 and side number 2. The name is, this one is a different name. Why it is the different name? This is one slant line, inclined line. That's why its name is hypotenuse. Okay. So this is the history of the hypotenuse Pythagoras law. And what the Pythagoras law is saying that the Pythagoras law says that this hypotenuse side is what? AC. AC is the biggest side in the right angle triangle. That's why it is called hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. AC, if I wrote that AC, what is the meaning of the AC? The distance between A to C, it's called AC. If I write that BC, what is the meaning? The distance between point B to point C means that from this point to this point is called BC, indicating. And if AB, if I write the AB, what is the meaning of the AB? The distance between point A to point B, right? The distance between point A to and point B. Okay. Now, according to the law, this what this law is saying that the square of the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. How to
Your
read?
voice not clear, sir.
What? My voice is not clear. Okay, look at here. Here see Nana. Now my voice is clear. This is the law. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the sum of the sum of the squares of squares of remaining remaining sides. What is that law? Hypotenuse law. Pythagoras law is hypotenuse square. This is a hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the plus symbol means sum of the squares of the squares of the remaining two sides. What are the two sides? This is the side number 1 and side number 2. The remaining two sides were BC is a one side and AB is another side. Okay. This is the law. First copy this law, everybody. Everyone copy this. Pythagoras theorem. Yes, completed.
No, sir.
Fast,
Yes, sir.
fast, fast, fast.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fast,
Over.
fast. Last 30 seconds to finish.
Sir, Pythagoras down what road, sir?
Pythagoras theorem. The
Theorem.
heading. Theorem. Heading. Keep the heading is this. Pythagoras theorem.
Sir, theorem you wrote, no, sir. What is that spelling, sir?
Theorem. Yes, completed. Now, according to this question, how they will ask the question? Look at here, everyone. Important thing. They will give the figure one right angle triangle. Right? This is my right angle triangle, and their sides are A, B, and C. And the distance between B to C is 3 centimeters, and distance between A to B is a 4 centimeter. And they will ask that what is A to C distance. They will ask that what is A to C distance. So while before going to the formula, you have to check that this given figure is a right angle triangle or not. Yes,
Plus.
this is right angle triangle. So here we can apply the theorem is called Pythagoras. Here we can apply the theorem is called Pythagoras. First write the Pythagoras theorem. Here the numbers are what? A, B, C. So hypotenuse square. What is the hypotenuse side? Longest side, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is my
7 centimeters, sir.
uh, this is first write the formula. In the formula, yes, don't write everybody. I will give the time to copy. Yes, first look at here and try to understand. Yeah, see, AC. Do you want to find the AC value or not? Yes, AC value I have to find. And do you know the AB value or not? Yes. What is the AB value? A to B is a 4 centimeters. Write the 4 square plus. What is the BC value? BC value is 3. 3 square. Right? And after that, equal. What is the 4 square? 4 square means 16 plus. What is the 3 square? 3 square means 9.
25 centimeters.
Uh, if you add these two, you will get 25. Uh, this is what 25 AC square. In your options, option number 1 is 25. If you kept that, your answer is wrong. We have to find that what either AC value or AC square value. Which value we have to find? AC. We want only AC. I don't want AC square. I don't want this square. I have to remove that. I have to eliminate that square. How to eliminate it? So, and remember only one thing. If you send the plus one side to another side, it is minus. And into if you send the one side to another side, it is divided. Similarly, if you send the square to another side, it will be
Root.
a under root. Very good. So my answer is AC is equal to under root of
25.
25. Yes. After this, only
5, sir.
one. After the yeah, very good. After this, I will tell only one step. Don't ask that how, sir. Right? That is behind your knowledge. That's why I am telling the trick is what in some squares. I said that learn from 1 to I had that 1 to 30 squares. In 1 to 30 squares, 25 25 is a square of one of the number. What is that number?
5.
5.
5 square. 5 square. 5 square.
5
5,
square.
sir.
Actually, here what's happening? Instead of 25, can I write 5 square or not? Yes. Yes, square and root both will cancel. And my answer AC value is 5. My AC value is how much? 5. So this AC is a 5 centimeters. Now copy it. Anybody have any doubts about this problem? Please mute.
No, sir.
Yeah, then copy first. Copy first.
Over, sir.
Very good. Then those who completed, can you do the problem for this? I will give the one question.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C and 90 degrees. This is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Then find that AB value. What is AB value? We have to get the AB. What is the AB? Can anybody tell? Without pen and paper. Logic. AB answer should be a 3 because in this previous question only I got that. I got a answer is a 5 with the help of 3 and 4. So here I given that 5 and 4. The remaining number is what? 3. If you do, you will get the answer 3 only. Do it. Yes, those who are facing difficulty, those you can look at it here. Those who can able to do, you carry on. 5 and this is 4. Yes. What is our formula? This is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This symbol is right 90 degree symbol. So this is a right angle triangle. I can apply Pythagoras law. What is the first? Write the Pythagoras law. AC square is equal to, first you have to write always formula. AC square plus sorry, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Anirudh, don't touch the screen. This is my formula. Now substitute the values what you have. AC value, do you have AC value or not? Yes, I have AC value. What is that? 5 equal to, do you have AB value? No, I have to find it. AB square plus, do you have BC? Yes, what is that? 4 square. Now write it. 5 square value is how much? 25 is equal to AB square plus
16.
plus 60. And here is what? 25. But I don't want AB square plus 16. I have to take the 16 from right side to left side. Plus comes to this side. What happens? It will be minus. Minus 16 is equal to AB square. 25 minus 16 how much? 9. 25 minus 16 how
25
much?
minus 16.
9. That is equal to AB square. Yes. Can I write this? AB square is equal to 9. Yes or no?
Sir, 3 squares are answer.
Not 3 squares, sir. 3 is the answer, sir. Samputa adikochina ante. Okay. AB square is equal to how much? 9. Then I don't want
9.
AB square. I have to find only AB. AB is equal to what? Under root 9. Yes. What is the number to get the 9 as a square, perfect square? 3.
3.
So my answer is 3.
3.
What I said that in the previous case 3. So this is my 3. Now remember one thing. The trick is, in if there is a chance to use the Pythagoras law, if there is a chance to use the Pythagoras law, if in the Pythagoras only 3 sides are not, only 3 sides, side number 1, side number 2, side number 3. Out of these sides, if the 2 sides are either 3, 4 and 5, no need to, yes, mute it, please mute. Yes, out of 3 sides, if 2 sides are out, any 2 numbers from the this given 3 digits, either 3 or 4 or 4 or 5 or 3 5 or 3, if they give any 2, what is the third one? They will ask. What is your answer? No need to put the pen and paper. By default, you can tell. If they give the 3 and 5, the your answer is 4. Got it? Now, coming to that, Om Sai, what is your question, Nana? Yeah, this is a one triangle. Sorry, this is
Sir,
rectangle. A, B, C,
one
D.
line, sir.
Yeah, okay. This is A, B, and C, and D. And middle, there is another line. This is called diagonal. This is called what? Diagonal. Next, what they give? 6 centimeter, 10 centimeters. This is 6 and this is 10. And they are asking that what? AB.
AB value.
AB value. Now can you do it? They are asking this side length. What is that length? How to do it this problem? Very important problem. Very important problem. So first look at here. Can you try? Yes, try it. 1 minute time. Take the time. Do it. Everybody try to solve the problem. Uh, Either that is correct answer, wrong answer, that is secondary. But apply for the everyone.
Sir, answer 60.
Answer
60.
60, 60.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see. I don't think so this much bigger answer.
Sir, 8, sir.
8. Okay, let's see.
Sir, 4.
4. No two persons are getting same answer. If any two members will get the same answer, 2 or 3 members, then answer is correct. So now look at here, Nana. First, what part they are asking? This part they are asking. So I can take this triangle. Before going to that, this is a rectangle. If this side is 6 centimeters, then what about this side? 6 or not? So I am taking that part A, B, and D. This is my triangle. This is my A part, B part, and D part. According to the question, according to the question, I have to find this. And AD value how much? This is 10. This is 10. And this is how much? 6. Now, in the figure, this is the right angle triangle or not? First tell me that. Yes, because here 90 degrees is there. Exact opposite of the 90 degrees is what side? Hypotenuse side. This is inclined line. So, according to the Pythagoras, hypotenuse square. What is the hypotenuse here? AD. AD square is equal to sum of remaining two sides. One is AB square plus BD square. Clear? And AD value is how much? Now substitute. This is the formula. This is Pythagoras modified formula. According to the formula, I modify. AD how much, Nana? They gave AD value is 10. 10 square equal to AB square. I have to find plus BD how much? 6 square. 10 square is 100 is equal to AB square plus 36. 6 square means 36. Next step, 100 minus this 36 comes to this side, then minus is equal to AB square. 100 minus 36 is how much? 64 is equal to AB square. I don't want AB square. I want AB. So can I write AB is equal to under root of 64. where you get the 64 as a perfect square?
Perfect square. 8.
Ah.
8.
So instead of 64, I can write 8 square. Square root cancel. My answer is 8 centimeters.
8.
That is 8. Copy it.
A. B. D.
Yes, copy it fast.
Copy, sir.
Yeah, very good.
No, sir.
We have only 3 minutes of time. Yes. Then copy this question homework problem. Here there is a room. The dimension of the rectangle room is 25.7 meters and 12.6. This is 12.6 meters. And this is the room size. And they want to place that square box type tiles. Square type tiles. The tile size is 4 centimeters. Tile size is 4 centimeters. Then question is, how many number of tiles are required to place it? Question number 1. Same data. Question number 2. Copy fast. We don't have the time. Question number 2. Same dimensional room. The tile are in the shape of rectangle and its dimensions is 12 centimeters and this is 0.5, 0.2, 0.2 meters. If I want to place that this type of tile in this room, then how many number of tiles are required? Yes, this is a challenge question. Nowadays challenge question. I am giving the open challenge to the everyone. Those who solve this problem within 10 minutes after completion of the class in 10 minutes and send it to me, I will give the guarantee. I am the responsibility to the person, particular person, to crack this exam. To crack this exam. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేసి పంపించిన వాళ్ళకి within 10 minutes. I am the responsible person to take care yourself to crack this exam, and those who solve this question, for them there is a best and unacceptable what we call prize gift. Okay, thank you. Have a nice